This is the Inkatha Gaming channel, and today, in honor of Wilds of Eldraine officially being released, we got our hands on a pre-release pack for the Throne of Eldraine. We're going to open this up, see what kind of value we would get, maybe get a hint as to what kind of sealed deck we could have made had this been our pack for the pre-release event. What kind of joy and adventures we might be able to go on. 6 packs, pre-release promo, all that fun stuff. Spin that counter. Oh, 8. Rolling long. So, I mean, spoiler, Hushbringer. This is probably expired by now, but we'll show the code at the end. Maybe you'll be able to use it. We'll see. Pack 1. It's a Squire. Love the value on adventures, man. Great. So tiny. Prophet of the Peak. Clayton Shiny Chaser. Ooh, Fabled Passage. I mean, not much value now, but I mean, you're going to use that in just about every commander deck you have. It's more than one card, color, and you can barter a cow. Bargain. Ooh, yeah. Bognati. There's a little Bognati. Castle Ember. Land. Oh, one of the 7 dwarves. See, if they did these now after the Lord of the Rings, they'd have to have 7 different artwork for 7 dwarves, right? Tempting much. Shiny. Bognati. This is right. Charming Prince. Festival Funeral. I'm thinking so far white and blue would be pretty good. Let it go. Gingerbread Cabin. Blow your house down. Knox Bride. Surfer. Drum Gully. Ooh, Outlaws Maryland. Pack number 5. Ooh, another start with a fairy godmother, yeah. And run away together. Kind of repetitive. Jousting Dummy. Knight of the Keep. Rally for the Throne. Oh, another Drum Gully. Venerable Knight. And Sunrise Stroke. So I wonder if you do white blue with a splash of red. Final pack. Get another net, right? 2 rating. Tome rating back. Steering Garage. That's gross. Eye Collector. Giant Opportunity. Fair Vandal. Piper of the Swarm. Alright. Well, that's a pretty good pull. We've already seen that we've got Hushbringer. And the code, should you choose to attempt it, also expires July 1st, 2021. So where's it? That's the code. Give it a try, but it's probably expired by now. Apologies for that. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe. That really helps us out on the channel. Hope you're getting lots of value in any packs that you crack, and be well.